Hi everyone, how you doing? What I want to share with you is some news. Very excited about it. As you know, I have a channel that I have my lovely Joseph on and all his sisters, and because of all the things that I got for Christmas and other types of toys and dolls like the Lover Bella and my lovely Our Generation, I thought I would set up a new channel, still on my same account if you like, but I've set up a new channel called Blessed with Dollies, and I'll put the link in the description. Basically, so that's where I'm going to put the videos about Lover Bella and other dolls, because I think I want to keep them separate, because I know that people have different preferences, and so I'm going to keep the two channels separate. But yeah, I just want to extend though an invitation to all my subscribers, if they are like me and they love all types of dolls and toys basically, and they want, they want to see other dolls getting outfits and getting dressed in them, and I'm going to show some collections of other types of dolls that I have, and yeah, I think it'll be really fun. If you feel like you would like to see them too, then this is the invitation, guys, to come over to the new channel, Blessed with Dollies, and subscribe there so that you can start watching those videos as well. So it'd be really great, guys, to see you subscribe to that channel as well. But don't feel obligated. If it's not your cup of tea, then it doesn't matter. That's why there's two channels, because there's a lot of people that only like reborns, a lot of people that only like American Dolls, a lot of people that only like Barbies. So I just want to cater for all the types that I love. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know, guys, and if you want to see more of my videos, I'm still doing reborn videos. I'm not abandoning this channel at all. I'm not. I've just got two channels and I'll be uploading to both, but there'll be different types. So that's what's new for 2018, and yeah, I'm really excited about it because it gets me playing with all my dolls. So thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and I hope the people that are interested come along and join the other channel as well. So thank you, I love you, God bless.